Hello mga Kamitsu, so this is Xpander GLS Automatic 2023. And now, I will show you the exterior and interior design of this upgraded unit. Tara, samahan niyo po akong malaman kung ano mga advantage ng unit na to. Let us start with the front. It is now a bolder design and it allows more air to come. And the headlamp is now LED T-shape with the benefit of time energy saving. Tingnan naman natin ang loob niya mga Kamitsu. Wow, sobrang elegant ng loob. And ito po yung button ng ating door. And lock and unlock. We have also a button of a side mirror and a traction control. And this is steering wheel of Xpander. With a cruise control. And it is engine push start. With 7-inch smartphone link display audio. This is 7-seaters and TV. And alam niyo ba mga Kamitsu, pwede pong i-fold yung upuan sa likod para malagyan ng more baggage po. And good news mga Kamitsu, naka 17-inch two-tone alloy wheels na po tayo. And the back of our unit is so elegant with LED lights. And also we have a reverse camera. So ano hinihintay pa natin mga Kamitsu? Apply now! For further questions, just comment below.